Hi everyone, let's find out important words from this editorial section missing medical colleges on the case of the Madurai AIMS. India's poor doctor population ratio cannot be set without better center state ties. Every lofty dreams can be filled by the nitty-gritty of implementation. What a nice line it is. So here the word lofty word is to be highlighted. Here it is written that every even means यहाँ तक की, कई बार even का यूज़ हम अपने discussions में करते हैं, यहाँ तक की ये काम भी नहीं हुआ है, so this is called यहाँ तक की, this is called even. एंड लॉफ्टी का मतलब है जो अहंकारी हो, जो शानदार हो. लॉफ्टी वर्ड को हम लाफ वर्ड से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. लॉफ्टी वर्ड इज कमिंग एज एन एडजेक्टिव एंड दिस मीन्स स्प्लेंडेड, शानदार, splendid. So we can connect this with the word laugh, lofty. And furthermore we have can be filled. अब ये जो filled है ये filled से कई बार मैच कर रहा है, FELL fill. तो fill और fill अलग अलग हैं. एंड FELL का मतलब है किसी चीज़ को काट देना, किसी चीज़ को मार गिरा देना, किसी चीज़ को गिरा देना बेसिकली. So this word is FELL fell. This is coming as a verb, means to cut something, to defeat something. And this word nitty gritty is actually idiomatic expression. So this word is quite important, nitty gritty. NITTY GRITTY, nitty gritty. So even lofty dreams can be filled by the nitty gritty of the implementation. Implementation means किसी चीज़ को लागू करना, किसी चीज़ को इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में लाना, एग्जीक्यूट करना. एंड निटी ग्रिटी मीन्स महत्वपूर्ण पहलू, जो इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड महत्वपूर्ण, इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, nitty gritty. So this line simply has meaning. Even lofty dreams can be filled by the nitty gritty of implementation. Nothing exemplifies. एग्जाम्प्लीफाई एग्जाम्पल वर्ड से बना हुआ है, तो एग्जाम्प्लीफाई मीन्स किसी चीज़ को प्रस्तुत करना, एग्जाम्प्लीफाई करना. सो दिस मीन्स उदाहरण देना, टू सेट एन एग्जाम्पल. सो दिस इज द वर्ड एग्जाम्प्लीफाई, to set an example. And to learn this word, simply we can connect it with example. And nitty gritty, neat and clean word भी काफ़ी common है, neat and clean. And this word can be learned with fell. So this is exemplify. This, as much as the case of Madurai AIMS, the idea of starting a number of All India Institute of Medical Sciences across the country certainly comes from a clear need to bridge the gap between demand and supply in India and set right grossly inefficient doctor-patient ratio. In 2003, the center announced the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana with this precise goal. Precise means sukshma, means not explained well. It was in 2006 that the PMSSY got off the ground and total of 6 AIMS like medical institutions were created in the country. Currently there are 20 AIMS institutions with functional medical colleges and they are under development. No doubt these institutions have created plentiful. Plentiful means ample amount. So this is the word plenty. Plentiful and also bounteous. Bounteous word is also, that is sufficient, ample, पर्याप्त. Plenty of bananas we should have. For students in advanced, the goal of taking affordable healthcare education beyond metros, but the intentions, irade, are most robust, majboot, than implementation. At AIMS Madurai, a project that has caused a further embitter. Now, bitter word से added है embitter. It is EMBITTER. embitter. किसी चीज़ को कटु बनाना. embark, disembark से रिलेटेड है embark. To get on the plane or ship. Opposite is disembark. To get off the plane or ship. And this word is embitter. To make bitter. Katu banana. So this can be learned with the word bitter. Of relations between the central and state governments, there are persistent complaints. Persistent means लगातार, जो चीज़ consistency के साथ हो, that is persistent. Persistency and persist किसी चीज़ का होना सतत, that is constant. Complaints of inadequate infrastructure, facilities, manpower constraints.